Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications on the menu today. And as you can see, steaming hot, just finished. We're going to do a potato spinach curry or Saag Aloo. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan, and very easy to make. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Now, just to let you know, I'm going to put all the amounts in the text below. So we've got some spinach here, fresh spinach. I've washed that. Always wash it well in some cold water because you get little bits of stones and grit in there. Some potatoes, I've peeled them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Tomato, fresh tomato. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Onion, today I'm using the red onion, cut quite small. I've got a tablespoon there of garlic ginger paste. In here, what I always call the big four, 1 teaspoon each, equal amounts of turmeric, coriander, chili, and cumin powder. If you want, you could use a curry powder mix, you know, that you already have. I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds there and some chopped fresh chili. We're going to start this off with some oil and add some salt. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so here we are. I've got a pot here, I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil, you could be using sunflower or something different if you wanted. We're going to start off by dropping in our cumin seeds. And we just want to let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse the oil, give it a fantastic flavour. Don't skip this part. Just need a few seconds in this oil as it heats. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our potatoes. My potatoes are peeled, washed, and are raw. They're not cooked. You could do this with cooked potatoes if you want to speed the process up. I'm using raw potatoes. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Okay, so that's 4 minutes in. These potatoes are still quite hard, but they're on their way. We're now going to drop in our onion. And staying on this fairly lively heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Fantastic. Next up, we're going to add our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Now we're going to get a little bit of salt in there. And we're going to add that fresh tomato. Again, staying on this heat, let's go for 3 to 4 minutes, keep it moving. Fantastic. Time for our spices. So we're going to get these 4 spices in, or if you want a curry powder. So equal parts chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. In they go. To that we're going to add fresh chili. Give this a little mix. Some fantastic colours happening there. We're now going to add in our raw spinach. We're going to pop a lid on this. I'm going to let it go for about 4 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. It will start to break down. It's a bit difficult to stir right now. And check that out. Isn't that wonderful? That spinach is really cooked down. Our potatoes are really on their way. The tomatoes are kind of broken down. You can hardly see them now. The spinach also gave off a little bit of moisture. Check that for salt. I'm now going to get in a little bit of garam masala powder. Nice finishing spice. You can check out how to make that on the channel if you want to. And then I'm going to add today fresh mint. Normally I'll be putting in cilantro, coriander, but mint really works really well in this. So let's give that a mix. All you need to do now is make sure your potatoes are cooked nice and tender. Mine are fine. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt and you've got yourself a really nice vegetarian, vegan, beautiful spinach potato curry there. Wonderful with some rice or with some breads. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below. Check out all the social media, the Facebook and all the other stuff that I meant to say, which I never do. That's it. Lots of love.